What's up, gamers? It's gamer time, but not right now. I think that's how you say it. Sabare, abore, 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 abore. My name is Kareeti. Please smash like, bump, subscribe, and let's begin, okay? Siri is gonna teach me how to speak French. Hey Siri, how are you today?
I'm happy to be here.
I'm happy you're here. Thank you very much.
I don't know what you mean by I'm happy you're here. How about a web search for it?
How about you just take my compliment? Siri, I want to learn French.
Okay, check it out.
No, that's not what I wanted. Siri, how do you say I love you in French?
I found this on the web.
Okay, can you just tell me? Can you speak French? Can she speak French? I want to know.
I speak several forms of French. You can change the language I use in Siri settings.
Ooh, let's do that. Oh, I can change the voice as well. Ooh. Ooh.
I'm Siri, your virtual assistant.
Yeah, let's go with British. But, there's like a bunch of different French options. There's Belgium French, there's Canadian French, there's Switzerland French, and then there's France. So I guess we'll do France, because, yeah. Okay, change language. Hi Siri, how are you today?
Ça va comme sur des roulettes.
Whoa! What did you say? I like this. This is fun. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm very fascinated with the French language, you know? I don't know. I look pretty damn good in a beret too, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, this isn't helping. I need to turn her back into my English bitch. How do you say hello in French?
Okay, check it out.
Okay, why couldn't she just do this before? Bonjour, bonjour. See, it's bonjour, but how do you say it properly? Is it bonjour, or is it bonjour, or is it bonjour, or you know what I mean? Or is there a special way to say it? Can I I'm checking it out, Siri, but you won't let me click on it. How to pronounce bonjour?
Bonjour.
According to Siri, it's just bonjour. 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 Like, if someone had a really weird accent, it would be like, boner. I have a boner. I'm such a fucking 5-year-old. Subscribe to Kareeti.
Sorry, I'm unable to do that.
Why? Languagehelpers.com. I mean, okay, let's give it a try. Let's give it a whirl, shall we? I'm looking deep into your soul, and I will learn the French. Not the Swiss Alps, not the Japanese, but the French. 3 French words for saying hello. Oh, this is a good start. Okay, so we have bonjour, right? Bonjour, right? Just, saying hello or good morning. Bonjour. Okay. Salut. I'm pretty sure the T it's S-A-L-U-T. I'm pretty sure the T is silent. Salut is the informal way of saying hi or hello. So it's the informal way. So salut. Salut. Or is it daud or daude? Dude. Salut, dude. That sounds cool, actually. I make my own words. I love how no is nong and yes is we, which is one syllable, and then you put yes please in front of it, and then it's just a jumbled up mess. It's oui s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. I know. Oh, okay, I know that now. Okay, so I always thought that was like a food reference thing, like, oh, give me food or something. I don't know. And then no thank you is non merci. Non merci. Non merci. It's very good to learn, actually, because, like, if you're going to be traveling, or if you're going to be going to France, or Italy, or any of these places, it's actually a really good idea to learn some of these, like, very basic words, like, please, thank you, hi, hello, how are you, thank you, maybe lost, bathroom even, like, that would be good to learn. Thank you is, this is a long one. Merci, Madame Mesure. Mesure? Mesire. Mercer. I don't know. Voici. Voila. Oh, that's good. Voila is there is. There's still hope, everybody. Oh, hello or good morning, afternoon is bonjour, madame, monsieur. Madame, monsieur. So it's like madame is. Do you have to say both? Because like monsieur, 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 I don't know how to say it. I'm an American. Goodbye is au revoir. Au revoir. Oh, it's so good. I'm getting it. Good night is bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. How are you or how are you feeling is, oh my goodness. Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? I feel so like posh. I feel like I'm better than everybody else when I'm speaking French. Chang beng merci. If any of you guys speak French in the comments, let me know. I mean, any language in general, I think would be cool. Like, let me know like these kind of very basic phrases or words. Let me know in the comments how to pronounce them in the way you would spell it, and then the pronunciation where I could try to spell it or pronounce it. Because I want to learn different languages. I think it would be really cool. Me and Amber both want to learn. I want to learn Japanese, but she wants to learn Korean. And then I would like to learn Swedish. Swedish. Yeah. I would like to learn Swedish. That'd be cool. French. And she also wants to learn French as well. Peasants. Do you speak English? Oh, that's actually a really good one. If you guys know that, let me know how to say, do you speak English in your language? And it's a long one. It's Est-ce que vous parlez anglais? Anglais? I get confused on how to pronounce the AHNGs. I don't understand. Is je ne comprends pas. Je ne sais pas. I don't know. I don't know what's happening. Do you guys know what's happening? Because I don't. Debbie Deb. Sorry. Pourquoi? Pourquoi is why. Why is this video a thing? That's what I want to know. Kong boing. Kong boing. Kong boing. I'm not trying to like make fun of any languages either. Probably should have said that at the start. Not trying to make fun of you guys that speak French or anything. I genuinely want to learn. I just feel like some of the words just sound funny to me. I don't know why. I'm sure to you guys some of the languages or even my own some things might sound funny. So make fun of me all you want. I'm okay with it. Laissez-moi tranquille. Laissez-moi tranquille. I love you is ça vous aime. Right? Za. Ha. Or is the Z silent? No, I think it's za. Za. Ça vous aime. Ça vous aime. Ça vous aime. Mwah. S'il vous plaît. Thank you, Siri, for nothing. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. Thanks for watching, man. I hope you learned something. I definitely did. Probably not, but I'm trying. Okay, I do want to learn some new languages. I think it would be so much fun. If you guys want to learn any languages, let me know what languages you want to learn in the comments down below. Make sure to smash like, bump subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. I don't know why you guys are up there.